People ask me all the time, is it worth testing old winners? Should I go ahead and test the back brace? Should I go ahead and test blackhead mask removers? Should I test like the defrosting tray? Should I test that volcano product that cleans your microwave? Like all these old winners that were popping 2 to 3 years ago, should I go ahead and test it today? So the answer is yes and no. If you go ahead and test it, it might work, but it's going to last a short amount of time. And the answer is no, because sometimes it's just better to go ahead and find your new winner if you want to go ahead and find success. But if you want to get those initial first few sales very easily, that's definitely a good way to start. So here's a segment from my program teaching you guys exactly what you should do in what situation you should test old products and what are my thoughts on testing old saturated products. Here's a free segment from my program.
Yeah, and this one here was an interesting one because I know this one's really saturated, yes. The defrosting tray, but and obviously that's kind of against, you know, what we kind of look for, but I just thought I'd trial it. I tried it yesterday knowing that it was really saturated. I was like, let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
So, you know, what do you reckon of just trying that every now and then?
I see there's nothing wrong with trying. I think I would only recommend against it if someone's on a budget and they don't have the budget to afford to test. But I'm all for testing. I love it when students sort of go out of the strategy, try different things. And, you know, there is a strategy of looking for products that were hot 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago, and retesting it today. Now, the success rate isn't like 100%. Sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. Sometimes it would work, but it would only last for a short amount of time since it's been scaled in the past. But that's definitely a working strategy. As you can see, that's the answer. I sort of give you the pros and cons and why you should or shouldn't do it. So in my opinion, I like to just go for new winners, but I know a lot of people ask, and my students ask, should I go ahead and test old saturated products? But from what I see, all my students that are finding winning products, they're all brand new products. None of them are old saturated products, and that's sort of what we teach our students. If you guys want to go ahead and join our program, we'll go ahead and help hundreds of people every single day. Click the links below. Book in a strategy session with me or one of my team members. Go through the free training. We'll go ahead and give you guys free value up front, and maybe you'll be able to join the program because we only work with a select few amount of people. It's not some program like other gurus where they just accept everyone. No, we have a strict process where we really filter out who we want to work with. We don't want to work with just anybody or accept anybody. So definitely sign up for the links below. You guys will be able to figure it out. But yeah, question of the day. Have you found any success testing old saturated products? Let me know. Other than that, let's go ahead and announce last week's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, go to the job and comment below. Follow me on Instagram. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching these videos every single day. I really appreciate all the support. Thank you for watching these videos to the end. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I just want to say thank you. And that is what's really motivating me to just push forward and just create more and more valuable content for you guys every single day. You know, no upsells, just value. You guys get everything for free, and that's my goal, creating content that I wish I had when I was first starting up. Other than that, I'm not going to waste your time anymore. I'll see you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.